G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. The white that you can see there is a reflection of the lights. Okay, I've zoomed in, I'll just give you a quick look. That black that you can see there is the natural colouring in the stone. Whether it's potch, to me it looks a bit like an algae or something growing in it, but it's just occasionally in it. And some of the other parcels is more evident. But anyway, we'll have a look at the stone as we picked it up now. Electric greens there. Long skinny purple piece. Some of this is thin, but yes, you could make doublets or triplets out of it. Intrinsica, inlay. This is quite a big piece. Could leave the undulations in it and carve it perhaps. That's another idea. This piece is multicoloured. Reds and oranges are showing through there a little bit. Some of it's not as good, like this piece. That's what happens with deals. You get the good and the bad for each parcel. Just randomly picking them up. There's plenty more there for you to look at. It's on a little bit darker base, so you might get a bit brighter stone out of it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.